Class 9 children. So today we will learn question number 10 from exercise 17b, page 1710. So let us start this question. A square park has each side of 100 meter. So there is a square park, that means all four sides are equal and all the sides are 100, 100, 100, 100 each. So at each corner of the park there is a flower bed in the form of a quadrant of radius 14 meter as shown in the figure. So all the four corners you can check, there is a shape of quadrant. Quadrant means half of semicircle. Half of circle is semicircle and half of semicircle is quadrant. So this is quadrant. So and the radius is 14 meters. So this is 14, this is 14. All are equal in shape. Now find the area of the remaining part of the park. So in this full park, this square park, if this is a flower bed, that means in this position there is flower. So you have to find the area of remaining portion. Remaining portion means like this middle portion. You exclude these four flower beds and the remaining portions area you have to find. So our solution will start here. It's very simple children. First of all we will find the area of the whole square. So area of the whole square, you subtract area of these four quadrants. So everything minus this four quadrant will give you the area of middle portion. So same thing I have done. The area of remaining part of the park will be equal to area of the square, that means everything, minus area of four quadrants. Area of four quadrants. If you subtract everything minus four quadrant, the remaining inner part will remain. So area of square is side square and minus 4, this is 4. Why? Because there are four quadrants. 4 into area of quadrant. So for 4 quadrant we have to multiply by 4 and this is the area of quadrant. In the last video I have discussed the formula. Pi r square by 4. So here side of the square is 100. So 100 square minus, here 4 got cancelled. So pi r square. 100 into 100 minus 22 by 7 because value of pi, and r is the radius of quadrant 14. 14 into 14 because r is square. So 14 into 14. 7 to the 14 we can cancel. So this is now 10,000 minus 14 into 2 into 22. If you multiply all these three numbers, our answer is 616, and if you subtract both of them, it is 9,384 meter square. So area of the remaining part of the park will be this. So our answer has come. Very interesting. Next question. Question number 12. A road 3.5 meter wide surrounds a circular plot whose circumference is 44 meter. So there is a road, circular road, and its width is 3.5 meter. So inside it there is a circular plot. So this is a plot inside. So this circular plot has been surrounded by the circular road. So inside the circular road there is circular plot, and circumference of that circular plot, that is the inner circle, is 44. Very important to understand. Now that means two circle came, and this is called circumcircle. When there are two circles circumscribing each other, such kind of figure is called circumcircle. So this is circumcircle. Now the inner circle's circumference is 44. Now find the cost of paving the road at rupees 10 per meter square. So to construct this road, the cost is rupees 10 per meter square. So what will be the total cost? That means we will first have to find the area of this road. That is the, I can say, the surface enclosed by the two, the surface enclosed between the two circle, that is this particular portion. We have to find the area of this. So here I have named as capital R and small r, because capital R is for the outer circle and small r is for inner circle. So circumference of inner circle is given, that is 44 meter. It is given here. So 2 pi r, for inner circle there is small r, and for outer circle there is capital R. So it is a circumference of inner circle. So I will write small r. 2 pi r is the formula, equal to 44. 2 into 22 by 7, it is the value of pi, into r equal to 44. R equal to 7 will go up, 2 and 22 will come down, and after cancellation we have only r as 7. So we got the value of small r. So radius of inner circle is small r and is equal to 7. Now I will try to find the radius of outer circle, because I need to know the area of the path, the area of this particular path, circular path. So radius of outer circle will be r, capital R, which I have written in the diagram also, capital R. And capital R's value will come small r plus 3.5. Why small r plus 3.5? Because from here to here the value of smaller r only will exist from here to here, and this particular width is 3.5. So I can say this plus this is capital R. So this plus up to from here to here is smaller r, and from here to here is 3.5. So smaller r plus 3.5 is equal to the value of capital R. So now capital R's value will be, small r is 7 plus 3.5, it is 10.5. So now we got the value of both the r, capital as well as small r. Now area enclosed between two concentric circle or area of road, both are same, because the road itself is the area between the, the portion between the two concentric circle. So area of road and writing both are same. That's why I am using the word or, and its formula I have discussed in the last video only. Pi capital R plus small r, capital R minus small r. Now put the respective value. 92 by 7, 10.5 plus 7, 10.5 minus 7. After addition 17.5, after subtraction 3.5. You can cancel any one of them. I cancelled this 7 with 3.5, I got 0.5. Now you multiply 0.5 with 17.5, I get this, and 22 is here, and when I multiply both of them, I get 192.50 meter square. So I got the area of the path, the inner road. Its area is 192.50 meter square. And the question is saying to construct the road or to pave the road, to carpet this road, the cost is rupees 10 per meter square. So for 1 meter square it is 10 rupees. So for 192.50 meter square it will be into 10. So after multiplying, the cost will be 1925.00, and this 0 has no value after decimal. So 1925 rupees is our answer. Number 15, very similar to number 12. The shaded area between the circumference of two concentric circle is 346.5 centimeter square. So area of this particular shaded region, which is the area, which is the portion of the, this is the area between the two concentric circle, and this area is given here. So this time no need to find area, but area's value have been given, and the circumference of the inner circle is 88. Calculate the radius of outer circle. That means you have to find the radius of the bigger, larger one, outer circle, that is capital R. So we have to find capital R. Small r is also not given, but we can find with the help of circumference 88. So here I will start. Circumference of inner circle is 88 given here. So 2 pi r, because inner circle is smaller r, equal to 88. 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 88. R equal to 88 into 7 will go up, 2 into 22 will come down. After cancellation, 2 into 7, that is 14. So smaller r has come. The small r has come, but we have to find the capital R's value, that is the radius of outer circle. Now the shaded area between the two concentric circle is given in the question. It is 346.5 centimeter square. That same thing I write, and the formula of this area between the two concentric circle is pi capital R plus small r capital R minus small r. So now what we do, 22 by 7 is the value of pi, capital R is unknown to us, small r just now we got 14. So r minus 14, r plus 14 is here, and this value is given. Now what we will do, we will push this 22 by 7 this side, 7 will go up, 22 will come down, and this will be a formula of a square minus b square. The next phase I will discuss. So yes, 22 by 7 came this side, so 7 is up, 22 is down, and then after division we got 31.5 into 7 by 2, and this became a formula a square minus b square. R is a, 14 is b. So r square minus 196, and this one you divide in the rough, you will get 110.25. Dividing with 2 is very easy. You divide, and this is the answer. After division 110.25 I got. So division I did here and wrote here. Now 196, if I bring this side, it is minus, it will become plus. After adding I got this, and whenever I remove square from the left side, I get root over on the right side. And root over of 306.25 you can do with the help of division method. I will get 17.5. So capital R is 17.5. So this rough part also you can write down and try to understand, because this kind of division method of root over we have learned in class 6, 7, 8. Very easy. You can check this. So thank you children.